Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So never did I think I'd be making this video, but today I'm going to show you how to buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. So Dogecoin, basically a meme cryptocurrency, but a lot of people are talking about it and I figured why not make a video about it. So here I am on Robinhood. All you have to do is click on the magnifying glass at the very bottom. As you can see, I have 14 cents in buying power. So click on the magnifying glass and I'm going to type in Doge. There it is. Dogecoin. As you can see, I already have 605 shares of Dogecoin, which is what, like $10. So here we see that it did have a nice spike here and is kind of just sitting there at the moment. We're going to see what happens, but you see you have a buy option and a sell option. So I'm going to click on buy. Okay, so all I have to do is type in the amount of coins I would like to buy. So right now it's almost at 2 cents per share. So I'm just going to buy 5 shares, which is going to equal about 9 cents, almost 10 cents. So I'm going to buy 5 shares of Dogecoin right here on Robinhood when I click on review. Okay, so it turns out that order is too small. You had to buy at least 10 Dogecoin, which I currently do not have the balance on my account, but all you have to do is just type in, 10 right here, click on review, and then swipe up, and that's how you buy Dogecoin. I'm not going to deposit more money onto my Robinhood portfolio just to buy Dogecoin, but that in a nutshell is how you buy Dogecoin on Robinhood. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.